solo parent and hardworking mom. In today's episode, I am going to unpack one of the most puzzling realities foreigners face in the Philippines: the incomprehensible antics of a Filipina who isn't typical but atypical. Most foreigners expect a sweet, simple, and straightforward Filipina when they step into relationships. They think they'll meet the nurturing, family oriented, humble woman who prioritizes love and stability. And yes, those women exist, many of them. But then there's the atypical type, the one whose actions leave you scratching your head, rereading your text messages 5 times, and asking your foreign buddies, "Bro, am I the crazy one here? Or is she?" The atypical Filipina is not the majority, but she's unforgettable. Why? Because her antics break the mold. She says she loves you, but ghosts you for 3 days straight. She asks for loyalty, but keeps her social media wide open with half a dozen best guy friends. She promises a future, but every time you bring up plans, she gives bucky answers like, "Let's see, maybe, we'll know in time." This isn't typical behavior in the Philippines, where many women crave clarity and commitment. This is the atypical type. Her antics don't fit into the traditional script. They're hard to decode. And for a foreigner used to Western or even typical Filipino norms, it feels like navigating a maze blindfolded. Here's the reality: their behavior isn't random. It's not just chaos for the sake of chaos. There are reasons. 1. Personality quirks. Some Filipinas are simply wired differently. They're impulsive, experimental, and rebellious against traditional expectations. 2. Testing ground. Some use antics as a test. How much will this foreigner tolerate? How far can I pose before he breaks? 3. Hiding options. The atypical type often keeps backup plans. Another guy, another opportunity, another ticket out, so she never has to commit fully. 4. Cultural rebellion. While the typical Filipina bows to family, tradition, and community expectations, the atypical one wants freedom. She doesn't want to be told how to live, love, or behave. That rebellion shows up in antics that appear incomprehensible to the outsider. What happens when you fall for an atypical Filipina? Well, brace yourself. You will spend nights confused, replaying conversations in your head. You try to apply Western logic, but it will not stick. You will either be hooked by the roller coaster or burn out completely. The danger is when foreigners confuse the atypical Filipina with the typical Filipina. They assume that every woman from the Philippines is unpredictable, game playing, and manipulative. Not true. The majority are not like this. But the typical one, she makes enough noise to make you doubt them all. If a Filipina's antics are incomprehensible, it's not you. It's not that you're clueless or culturally blind. It's because you've stumbled into a typical type. What should you do? Recognize her for who she is. Decide if you're strong enough to ride the wave or smart enough to walk away. Don't judge all Filipinas by the few atypical ones, because at the end of the day, love in the Philippines is real, powerful, and fulfilling when you're with a typical, genuine, grounded woman. But the atypical type, she is a storm without any direction, unpredictable, thrilling, and dangerous. and you better know the difference before it's too late. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.